Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about AI video suites, where we are going to be going over two parts in this video because AI suites has two parts in it. So let's jump right into it. So when you log on, you're going to be in your dashboard and you're going to go to the side panel and you're going to look for your AI suites. Okay, let's go down here and find it. Okay. So we're going to start with AI Persona, which AI Persona is actually where you can create avatars of which using scripts. Okay. So inside this area here, which is the avatar persona, you have basic information here, which is really good. You have create video, browse, and it also shows all your projects that you created inside here. So let's jump right in here and create a new video, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to go right into the where you create your own avatar, and it's basically simple step-by-step guide. So what you need to do is you need to choose your avatar. So we're going to choose our avatar. Okay. Let's choose one that works really well. Slide down. As you can see a ton of different avatars in here. Okay. Let's use this one. Okay. And then you have avatar, which is you can do normal, which is the whole square background, or you can do a circle, or you could do close up. We're going to do close up. And then you have matters, which you got true and false. You got captures, which is true and false. We'll put on false. And then you have your voice that you want to choose for that particular avatar. And you have multiple different voices to choose from in multiple different languages, in men and women. And you can actually just scroll down here and see which one works. We're using a female today, so we're going to choose one that has a female. Okay, so let's go down here. Okay, and if you want to listen to the voice before you create the video, just hit the side button right here.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
So then if you want to choose this one, you just go back in here and you can do the same.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
Input text is where you will put your script at. And I would just make sure that it's nicely laid out. And there you go. And then all you got to do is hit generate. Okay. And then once you hit generate, it's going to automatically take you back to the main Persona desktop area, which I showed you in the beginning. And it's going to show you that the video is in progress. And this is what the video looks like when it's done.
Thinking about turning your passion into a money-making venture? Here are 3 game-changing reasons.
Okay. And that is how you use AI Persona, which is your AI avatar. Now we're going to talk about AI Pro Video Pro. Okay. Right here is where you can create different type of videos using some really powerful AI models. You have Vito, which is Google, Luma, Kling Image, and Minimax. These are different type of videos platforms that you can create some really powerful videos with. Okay, so you have in this column you have the different models you can choose. The middle is the prompt, and then you have your video size here, and then you have your enhanced prompt, and you have your generate with audio. Now video comes with, you can actually create audio with it. Luma does not. You can just create video. King's regular does not come with audio, and King's would image does not come with audio. And then you have Minimax, which does not come with audio. Okay, so we're going to create a video using Luma with audio, and I'm going to show you what that is. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically get your prompt, and you're going to place your prompt in here, or type it, whatever you want to do. I'm going to just show you paste. And then you choose different sizes. So you have 16 by 9, 1 by 1, and 9/16. We're going to choose 1 by 1. And then we're going to leave the enhancement on. You can turn it off and on. And you can do the same thing with audio off and on. Okay. And then you also have advancement if you know how to use the seed, and if you want to take out different type of negativity. So if you don't want, say, hear dog sound. I mean, that's not dog sound, car sounds or something. You can put that in negativity, and this is what you would do. Okay. As you can see, specific seeds, and this is for specifically for things that you don't want in your video. But we're going to leave the video the way it is. So all you gotta do is hit generate. And then what's going to happen, it's going to generate the video, it's going to flip screen, and it's going to show you where the video is in progress. Okay, so let me show you a video that I've created that was with that. Yep. Next one I want to show you is how to create a video just without sound. So we're going to use we're going to use different prompt. And basically just choose it, click on it, paste your prompt or type your prompt in and hit generate. And this is what's gonna happen. Okay. Now I want to show you one where you can use Kings with image. I'm sorry, with image, you basically click on image here and you go, let me go to the desktop here and grab an image and you upload an image to it. And then you just give it a prompt of what you want to do. So we're looking. Right. And then all you do now is hit generate. Now to make sure that your image is in here, you put it right there and you hit generate. Okay. Let me show you the video I created with an image earlier. This is what it looks like. This is me smiling up. Okay. That's one of the images. And this is another one I created. Okay. And this is in one more I'm going to show you. This is without sound using Luma. Okay. So this is basic information on and a great tutorial on how to use AI video suites. And if you want to learn more about any of the other suites, please continue to watch the tutorials. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and I will talk to you on the next one. You have a great day. Bye.